Ever wished you could quickly turn a bunch of photos into one neat document? Let's transform your images into a single, shareable PDF right on your laptop. First, let's explore using your laptop's built-in tools. Open the folder containing your images. You'll want to select all the images you want to include in your PDF. A quick way to select multiple items is to click the first image. Then hold down the Shift key and click the last image if your images are scattered. You can hold down the Control key and click on each individual image you want to select. With your images selected, right-click on any one of them in the menu that appears. Look for and click on Print. This will open the Print Settings window. You'll see a preview of how your images will be arranged under the printer selection. You'll find an option that often says Microsoft Print to PDF, or something similar. Select this as your printer. Now pay attention to the layout or pages per sheet section. You can choose how many images appear on each page for a simple PDF, often full page. For each image is best. You can also adjust the paper size if needed. Once you're happy with the preview, click the Print button. A Save Print Output as window will pop up. This is where you'll give your PDF a name and choose where to save it on your laptop. Type in a descriptive name, like My Vacation Photos PDF, and then click Save. Alternatively, if you prefer to use online tools, open your web browser and search for Online Image to PDF Converter. There are many free options available. Click on the website, and you'll usually see a button to upload your image files. Drag and drop your images into the designated area, or click the Upload button to select them from your computer. Most online converters will then offer options to arrange your images. You can usually reorder them by dragging and dropping, and sometimes even add page numbers or other simple customizations once you've arranged them to your liking. Look for a button that says Convert to PDF or Create PDF. After the conversion is finished, you'll see a Download PDF button. Click this, and your combined PDF file will be saved to your laptop's Downloads folder, ready to be shared or stored. And there you have it. You've successfully transformed your images into a convenient PDF. Whether you use the built-in tools or an online converter, you now have a single, organized file that's easy to share with anyone. Happy creating.